got a multi-vortex tornado now on the ground. I got two vortices spinning around each other. Tornado now all the way to the ground. Condensation funnel now all the way to the ground. I am seeing two vortices, and they're rotating around each other. Very large tornado now developing just to my west. And I would not be surprised if this actually continues to be a long track tornado, Gary. This is a very huge circulation. It's a stovepipe tornado. This is a very large, dangerous tornado. So anybody that is in the Cherokee area, get to shelter now. Gary, two tornadoes now on the ground, cone-shaped tornado now to the west, and a tornado just to the east-northeast as they rotate. Yeah, Gary, I'm moving north towards Cherokee. You got two tornadoes still on the ground, one to the west, one to the northeast of it. Okay, power line flashes as it's crossing the road. Now passing the Cherokee airport, which is just north, so it did miss the airport. Condensation funnel all the way to the ground with a debris cloud. I cannot get through on my cell phone. I'm going to try to get as close as we can to it. I cannot get into the station. Hello? Yeah. Got a large tornado on the ground. Bobby, my call dropped. Oh, this is the first reading.
Bobby has a visual on the tornado on the ground. I'm going to go ahead and transfer you to Gettner, okay?
My call dropped again.